Hello everybody. 7th class students, after finishing your second term syllabus, all the revision worksheets, from today we are going to start a new series of creative learning. That is your NCERT extended learning projects and activities. These activities for your extended learning are mentioned in your NCERT books. Second term syllabus, we are starting from there. Right now, I am looking at your page number 120. 4 project works are given here. Out of these 4 project works, you have to do any 2 in your project files. Okay? You can make a record of your projects in folders also, because we have to do all the projects, all the activities of these extending learning series of your second term syllabus. Okay? So all the best to all of you. One thing I want to tell you, that for your good scientific temper, for your healthy attitude, for your creativity, for increasing your confidence level in studies in academic sites, these co-curricular activities, projects, they are related with your subjects, are very important for you people. Okay? So I am going to explain the first project work for you. Listen carefully. Observe fish in an aquarium. You will find flap-like structures on both sides of their heads. When we see a fish, 2 flap-like structures are visible on the both sides of its heads. Okay? Now, these flap-like structures, they are just covering the respiratory organ gills. Okay? Based upon these observations, write down more information regarding the respiratory organs of fishes. These flaps which cover the gills, they are open or closed alternately. Okay, what's the reason behind that? Find out that, write down in your project file. And the process of respiration is in the fishes should be explained thoroughly, should be explained in 4 or 5 pages of your project file with beautiful diagrams or pictures. Okay? This is your first project work of this chapter. Secondly, in second project, you have to visit a local doctor, okay, any medical officer, learn about the harmful effects of smoking. Some information is given in your book also. You can take help of newspapers, articles, magazines. You can paste the articles given in newspapers or magazines or from any other source. You can paste them in your project file also regarding smoking. Okay, why smoking is injurious to health, what's the reason behind that. Find out all the facts and make a record of that. This is your second project work. You can also collect material on this topic from other resources other than your book. You can seek help of your teacher or parents also. I am also there to help you. Your parents are also there. Your elder brothers, sisters, your neighbors, your friends. Okay? You can take help from anyone. Now find out the percentage of people of your area who smoke. Now you are the students of 7th class. You have to take your help. Definitely you will take help of your parents. That you have to make an, you can say, a sort of survey. Okay? In your locality, in your neighborhood, in your family also, how many people they are used to do smoking. Okay, find out the percentage and make a record of that in your project file. Now, if you have a smoker in your family, confront him with the material that you have collected. Okay, You have to make awareness. Now in question number 3, visit a doctor again. In this project also, find out about artificial respiration. Normally we are breathing, we are exhaling, we are doing the process of respiration in our bodies. But what about artificial respiration? You have learned this, that hospitalized patients, persons, they are given artificial respiration over there. Now visit a doctor and ask some questions regarding this topic and make a record in your project files. For example, here are some questions which assist you. When does a person need artificial respiration? When does a person need artificial respiration? Then what are the conditions when we need this type of respiration? Write down that. Secondly, does the person need to be kept on artificial respiration temporarily or permanently? Means ki, whether a person he or she need to be kept on artificial respiration temporarily for a short time, or for a permanently we can keep a person on artificial respiration. So you can ask this question to doctor also. Third one is, from where can the person get supply of oxygen for artificial respiration? What are the sources of getting oxygen for this artificial respiration? Also mention that. Now look here, these are such type of questions which you can search, you can find out, and after finding you feel a self-confidence in yourself. Okay? This will create your scientific temper more strongly, more effectively, and when you completed these project works, you can share with me. I can share these projects to all other children, so that in order to motivate them, in order to boost up them. Okay, so do this honestly. Next question is with your project number 4 given from this chapter, that is, measure the breathing rate of members of your family and some of your friends. Okay, very simple project for you all. Just you have to make the record of breathing rates of different people. Different people means different age group. Okay, children, then teenagers, then adult ones, then old ones. Then find out, you have to investigate if the breathing rate of children is different from that of adults. Okay, is the breathing rate of children is different from adult? If answer is yes, then write down the reason why. Okay. Next, if the breathing rate of males is different from that of females, also find out that is there any difference between the breathing rates of males, means boys, females, girls. Okay. So if yes, if there is a difference in any of these cases, try to find the reason. Just find out the reason and write down in your project file. So this is the beginning, this is the new beginning I have started in these days of online teaching. Definitely it will improve your creativity, it will increase your enthusiasm, it will increase your self-confidence, which is very very important for your future. Okay, तो डल बन के नहीं रहना है आपने अपने घरों में. Everybody should participate in these extended learning activities which are given in your NCERT book. Side by side we will do revision thoroughly from each chapter, and once we completed all these activities, I'll go through your projects and definitely I will share them in my future videos also. Okay, so do this properly and send me so that I can share your projects, your experiences with other one also. All the best to all the students. If you have any query, if you have any question, contact me personally. I'll definitely help you. Thank you. It's my request to parents also, please assist your wards. Such type of activities, they are very important in the subject like science. Thank you.